Florida's Farm to School initiative connects farms and schools across the state to increase students' access to fresh, nutritious foods, support Florida farmers and producers, and strengthen local food systems and economies. How do we do it? With our 3 pillars: agriculture education, school gardens, and commodity procurement. We help teach students about Florida agriculture and nutrition with resources like virtual farm field trips, worksheets, and guided activities. We support hands-on learning with school gardening activities. After all, kids are more likely to try new foods they help grow. We help Florida farmers sell to local schools, cultivating connections with our Florida Farm Connect portal, procurement trainings, and guidance and support from our team. Our annual Farm to School conference also brings together schools, producers, distributors, and partners to learn, connect, and share tools. Why do we do it? That's easy. When Florida farms and schools work together, kids win, farmers win, communities win. Get involved with Florida Farm to School today at farmtoschoolfl.com.